Are you spending countless hours searching across multiple repositories to fulfill your discovery requests? If so, you're in the right place.
Welcome back to our EAS How-To series. My name is Pat Darche, here with Tom Vetter, one of our senior account executives. These How-To series are the best place for you to come to figure out the best tips, tricks, and practices on how to maximize your EAS asset. In these tutorials, we feature our latest releases of EAS, our groundbreaking on-premise release EAS 9, and our fully compatible hosted version EAS 10. Tom, you kind of alluded to it. I think we're going to talk a little bit about adding maybe different objects to EAS Discovery.
You got it.
All right, well, can you tell us some of the benefits about today's tutorial?
Yeah, so today I'm going to show you guys how EAS can be your single source of truth. And the benefit of that is, number one, manage discovery requests on a single platform. Number two, save time searching across multiple repositories. And finally, use EAS Discovery to cull down information to export the most relevant information to the case. Guys, we're going to jump in, and please stay tuned for the end of the video. I have a special offer for you. Alright guys, we're just going to start this demo with starting a new case. We're just going to call this TV Select Objects. Obviously you can add as much information as you want to describe the case, but for this purpose we're just going to go ahead and save this. Alright, so here we are within the case now. As you see, the 4 steps in the workflow. A common mistake that users are doing is they go right ahead to the discovery to execute a search. So a legal request came in or internal audit, and they just want to go ahead and find a keyword search. For this instance, let's just type in contracts, and they're going to execute the search. Now what's going to happen is nothing's going to show up here because there was a key element in the workflow that was missed, a key step. So what first needs to happen before you perform a search is you need to select your objects. So you go down to the case chevron and select your objects. You want to go to Manage Objects. As you can see, nothing was selected. So here's how you go ahead and select your objects. As you can see, the data source here, we can pull this down and shows the data sources of all of the archived content in the archive. So right now we have Exchange Mailbox, File Shares, SharePoints, public folders, and the CAS API. If you archive instant messaging, websites, text messages, that will pop up, and this is where you select those objects. So let's just say we're going to look for some keywords in a couple custodian mailboxes. So we'll just type in a wildcard to pull up all of the archive mailboxes within the archive. And here are those users. So let's say we want to find keywords in Scarlett, excuse me, Robert Jr. Let's do user 2, user 4, how about user 6 as well. So we have now selected the objects, in this case the Exchange mailbox, and the users within that Exchange mailbox. Go ahead and hit OK. And always remember to save these users. So now, with these objects selected, we can go into Discovery and we can perform our search. So let's try contracts once. So let's try contracts once again. And as you can see, we returned a whole lot of items, nearly 3,000 with the keyword contracts. Obviously, we can further refine this search. In rare cases, we just search for one keyword across multiple custodians. But the key element here is always remember to select your objects prior to performing a search within EAS.
Tom, today's demonstration, immensely valuable. I think the days of people using eDiscovery on just email content are definitely over. The modern enterprise is required to search multiple data repositories. You just showed us how to do all of it from EAS 9.0 Discovery. Any final remarks?
Yeah, I mean, EAS 9.0 is your single source of truth. You saw just how easy it is to add all the necessary objects to the case, and you can't do it anywhere else. EAS 9.0 is the perfect solution for you guys. If you're not on 9.0, give me a call today and we'll get you there. We'll waive the fee for you as part of our special promotion to ensure you're on the latest and greatest.
Absolutely. You got to give Tom a call. The special promotion ends April 1st. Not much time left. You don't want to be stuck on the old versions of EAS because we got some incredible enhancements we've rolled out in this 9.0 release.
Oh, yeah.
Tom showed you what the Discovery is capable of doing for you. You need to be on 9.0. You got to call him today. Also, please don't forget to subscribe if you like what we're showing you each week in these how-tos. Tom and I look forward to seeing you next week.